long-awaited return of painting with oil paints, still life with metallic objects. So, as I said in my last oil painting video, a famous artist suggests paint metallic objects. So, I tried to throw together a still life that would be, a little bit more complex than one metallic object. So I got this sculpture that I made 20 years ago, a metallic sundae dish, and that mortar and pestle. Is that the mortar or the pestle? I don't know. Anyway, so first I did a sketch with a 5H pencil, which was the pencil I found that had a really good tip, well sharpened and ready to go. And then I started to put in the, it's burnt sienna and ultramarine blue. I thought I would do like underpainting, and then with yellow ochre and all this with a lot of turpenoid, put in the background, and throw in some red and yellow for the apple there. And then I had that was time to start doing the metallic objects, so using most of those colors, made various grays, warm and cool, and did the metallic objects, and that's why I guess that would be called an underpainting.